Electricity is used at all times of the day. For your morning coffee, to heat or cool a room, and all other electric needs. But there are limits to the capacity of your electrical panel. It's easy to go over when plugging in at the wrong time. This is what charging on a single panel looks like with no management. With an EVMS, EV charging will never overload your panel. Whether it's the morning rush, an afternoon chill, or an evening work session, charging with an EVMS will give you peace of mind, protect your panel from overuse, and provide a safer and reliable experience. Charging with an energy management system. Be protected at all times of the day. An EVMS will move your charging hours away from peak periods, using electricity when it costs the least. You'll be fully charged every morning, so your EV is done charging and ready to go when you are.